Hi everyone, my name is Kristen. You can find me on Instagram at Claws by Kristen with a K. Today I'm going to show you how to safely remove acrylic using our Makartt Pro e-file drill. By no means is this an easy process, but it's something that's easy to learn. So with this, I'll give you a few tips and tricks on how to safely and properly remove acrylic using our drill. So what you'll need is your Makartt Pro drill. You're going to need a safety bit to remove the bulk of the acrylic. You'll also need a mandrel bit to remove the bulk of the shine from the nails afterwards. You will also need a hand file, nail clippers, and a nail brush to dust off the nails throughout the process. All right, first we're gonna start off by clipping down the acrylics that she has on. So first you want to assess underneath where her hypernychium grows out, which hers doesn't grow very far, luckily. So we'll just flip her over, go ahead and clip this down, just like that. Remove the excess. Next, I'm gonna go in with my drill bit. Like I said, we're using our safety bit. It's gonna be a coarse bit. Okay. Now, we're gonna go in at around 10,000 RPMs to start removing the bulk of our acrylic. So, you want to do nice, long, clean motions. There's no back and forth at this time because you don't want to slip and lose control of the drill. Because if you want to do these back and forth motions, by you going backwards, it will literally start to spin around the nail. So this is to help keep better control. You also want to make sure you have a nice support when you're working. So I'm just gonna take long, clean strokes, taking down the acrylic a little bit at a time and working in different areas. You work in different areas because you do not want to have a heat buildup in the nails from filing in one spot. So like I said, long, clean motions. And once we start to see that acrylic start to thin out, you'll take a look from the underside. It'll start to thin out. So now I'm gonna take it down to about 5,000 RPMs. And this one will start our feathering motion. The feathering motion is the light motion of the wrist and the drill. Still taking down the acrylic without, still taking down the acrylic without as much pressure because we are starting to thin out the acrylic. So like I said before, you do not want to cause any discomfort to your client. And is total removal of the nail required? Absolutely not. And I'm making sure I get all my lighter spots and all my lifting from around the edges. So now that we got our acrylic pretty much all the way off, what I'll do is now, I'll go in with my hand drill, my hand file, excuse me. And I'm gonna go in, I'm just gonna clean up these edges. And along with the hand file, you still want those long, clean, even motions. Okay, so now I'm gonna take off my safety bit and I'm gonna use my mandrel bit. This is what we're gonna use to remove the shine from the nail. And with this, you're going in at about 3 to 4 RPMs because you also don't want to damage the natural nail. And there you go. That is how to safely remove acrylic with a drill. All right, everyone. Well, we hope this step-by-step process taught you guys how to best utilize your e-file when removing acrylic. And the best part is you don't even have to use acetone. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, everything takes practice. Don't give up, because if I gave up, I wouldn't be where I'm at now. See y'all later.